Hi, I think everybody knows this setup already. I presented in the previous video. On the left, on your left, you have the charging controller, and the right, the discharge controller. And I wired it down to the power inverter and also to the batteries for charge and discharge. So right next to it I have my wind turbine running, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect both of them because I've been working separately on them. I worked on the wind turbine first, tested it, and it's working right now, and I also work on the charge and discharge controllers that you see right here. So I want to put everything together. I show you pretty on the previous video that I just took two cables from the permanent magnet motor down that I connected to this load right here, which is a 12 volt light bulb, and I'm actually getting the voltage out of the permanent magnet motor. It's not connected to the batteries yet, but I set it up so that it's really easy to connect. So I'm going to discharge the multimeter from the wind turbine. Everything fell down, so I have to disconnect it. I have to put it back first. Okay, I'm going to focus more on the wind turbine and charging the batteries. So let me connect it really easy. That's the output of the wind turbine right there. The black and the white cable. The white one is negative and the black is positive. So I'm going to connect it positive to positive to my batteries. I'm going to connect positive to positive. It's not easy to do that with one hand, so I'm going to try to put my camera down and have it show exactly what I'm doing. So I'm connecting the positive to positive, and then negative to negative. So I have both of them connected. The wind turbine is running right now pretty well, and I have no doubt it's not going to be charging as fast as it will be discharging. Right now there's nothing connected to the inverter, but that's the setup. I have the cable coming from the wind turbine connected straight to the battery, positive to positive and negative to negative. I connected all four positive poles from the batteries together using the same length cable, and all four negative poles using the same cable. And I connected negative from the wind turbine to the negative on the batteries, and positive to positive. Now I also have this cable that runs from the batteries up to the charge and discharge controller. The charge controller is on right now because I'm checking more the charge process. I don't want my battery to overcharge, but to check all that I will have to connect my multimeter to the setup to see how much voltage I'm having out. So I don't remember exactly. I think, yeah, this is a positive one. Positive first. That's a negative. Negative first. It's not easy to work with one hand, but bear with me. I'm going to find a way to put it together so that it stays, and so that we can also see how the battery charging process is going. So the positive is not going to be stable right there. Cool. Now I have my wind turbine turning very running crazy right now, and here inside I have everything connected, and it's showing the voltage, the battery voltage. Right now, as I say, only the charge controller is on. The discharge controller, I don't need it as long as I have nothing plugged on the inverter. And I'm charging right now. I'm charging. See, it's charging the battery, and the voltage is increasing, decreasing. I think when the wind blows faster, then I got some high voltage in the battery, and when this wind speed decreases, the voltage in decreases also. Now, don't ask me to plug anything to the power inverter, because I know, because the voltage that the turbine is putting in is less than 12 volts. I know that plugging anything to the power inverter right now will discharge the battery faster than it's charging. And the solution to that problem would be to reverse the scenario, meaning finding or building a wind turbine that will be charging faster than that will be putting out more than 12 volts. I mean, so that the charging process can be as efficient, or rather as so that they can be balanced between the charge and the discharge process. There you go. Well, that's about the battery voltage. It's pretty low. What the discharge controller should do at this level, I think I'm going to turn it on because the voltage is running around 12.2 already. The discharge controller's job would be to disconnect the batteries to everything if the voltage runs low, especially disconnecting everything that's plugged to the power inverter. The wind turbine is still turning pretty wild. You could hear it in the background. I will be posting more video as I'm working on this. Hopefully, now that I have a little more time, I will take the time to update you guys on the progress. Thank you for following my feed on YouTube, and thank you to everybody. Bye.